Hello sweeties, another video on open mirroring, but this time SharePoint mirroring. Oh yes, they said it couldn't be done. Well, right, no one said it couldn't be done, but it was sort of a challenge. So I'm going to have to thank a few people in this video, but let's jump straight in. And I've got SharePoint up, and let's go to my SharePoint list of friends, and I've got a couple of friends in that list. Obviously Percy and Nimrod we know quite well. Let's go over to Fabric and see if they're there. Okay, so let's go over to mirroring. Oh, okay, you can see the table just appeared. Great. Okay, so we've got some fresh data just coming across. We'll go over to SQL endpoint and we'll just query it. What I'm doing is I'm mirroring that SharePoint list over, so I've left a little bit of data in there so you can just see that it is SharePoint. But I'm also mirroring across all the columns from the SharePoint list, but these are selected columns. So I'm not mirroring every column, so this one isn't coming across. I'm selecting which ones I want. But I'm also bringing across the standard columns that are there. I mean, if you just mirror everything, you'll get loads of columns with loads of information. And so let's go and add some more friends, and let's see how quickly it takes to mirror them across. So let's go add a new item. So title, this is a type, so we'll go with human, and we'll put Chris Webb in there. Now Chris, just in the same way with Excel mirroring, 21, Chris wanted to know if we could do SharePoint mirroring, and you pretty much can do it. So he's a nice person, right? We're not going to mirror that across. And so within a few seconds, that should start to come across. But we're also going to add a bit more information. So let's actually go into grid view. So we can just edit, add a bit more. So we'll put some Percy Smith. So just making some changes. We're going to add another human. So he's a real boy. And we're going to add Alex Powers. Right, and the reason we're adding Alex is I want to say thank you because how old is Alex? Probably in his head he's probably just about 14. He's a little bit older in reality. He helped me quite a lot with all the SharePoint stuff and with the Graph API that I'm using to grab the SharePoint list out. Right, so let's put that. So as soon as I've done that, it should start moving across. So let's see what's come across now. So I'm just going to take that out because I don't like that. And then let's go right. Make it a little bit bigger. Right, it's come across straight away. So you can see how quick that was. That took hardly any time at all. Oh, actually, look, it started to bring that across, but hasn't brought his the rest of the information, and that will come across in a few seconds once it's done another loop. So that's it. Simple video, just showing you how you can mirror SharePoint. So before you go, if you saw any of the Excel mirroring, the code for Excel mirroring is up there, and I will add the code for SharePoint mirroring into this same repo. So I'll put that in the description. All right, thank you for your time. All right, bye, and love you.